You guys can take number 4. I'm done with it.
Appreciate it, man.
If you guys need it.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Twisting our gun.
Hey, what am I doing this right here?
What's that?
Spike's AR. They make them in a popka. They build the lower receiver.
Yeah.
Basically, they build it to how you want it on your hand, and then you pick your upper.
Damn.
And then it comes. This is usually what it comes stock with is this type of.
I like that stock.
Yeah.
It's expensive.
The lower was $300-400, and then this was $100. So I got it under $600. The scope was like $200.
That's not bad, man.
Yeah, I got it for a good deal. I wish the way I shoot, I wish it was just a little bit longer. It would be perfect, but
it's not bad, man. I was watching you shoot it.
I hate it. I got to get him on your head. Bring on to this. I knocked it down. Yeah, knocked it down. We need these. That's not going to He keeps knocking my earplug out. I'm serious. You keep knocking my earplug out. Go. You can't be worried about that. You gotta pull this side. Get on this side. Oh, Britt.
You need to let people know when you got to shoot that motherfucker like that.
And he always want to be on that side. Come on, baby. I ain't done with her. I ain't done with her. Ow!
ain't even cocked it yet. Oh, I gotta pull that back. That thing, yeah, the hammer right there. Doing what? Pull that back. You ain't got it in there. Oh, where you going? Press it. Keep getting slide by it. Green light. How do you keep doing that? Oh, I found it. I'm scared. Go ahead, man. Bust that thing, girl. Stop playing. You gotta put it, and you got it the wrong way. You need to put it your face. Right there. No, it ain't. Hold it hard. Just hold it. Got it. Come on, man. If you just shoot it once, you're gonna be good. And look through the thing. Wherever you aim it, go shoot. You hit it. She hit the target. Put your finger out that trigger. Go ahead. You hit it. Put it. See how the video is, Drew? That little shit a rocket. No, I don't want it. Stay heavy. That bitch straight. You gonna shoot or no? I know you ain't coming. Kicking your ass, boy. I can't get used to that short stop. I don't even hit.
I hit it.
We hear it.
You supposed to be video.
Where your glasses at, woman?
My glasses?
You left the red dot on, so there's no battery left on your right. Killed the battery. And when you grab it,
He don't need to do it again.
Drew, now you gotta do it again.
Head up. Shoot at him.
That's it?
Huh?
That's it? That ain't it. They got a brand new clip in it. Oh. You scared to pick it up?
So I need some cleaner for the guns. Some of these. I really don't have a good selection. Let's try this. Well, let me look around and see what else they got. Alright, so I'm doing a couple gun cleanings. I got my 17, Glock 17, and my PT 111 Taurus. I haven't cleaned neither one of them in a while. The Glock has had a couple hundred rounds through it. The Taurus not so much. I just use that for pretty much carry. But the Glock, I've been going to the range a lot with. And I also got the 21 round mag. This one got a 12, the Taurus. Also need to get up in here too, see if I can get in there and clean all that from the gas chamber or whatever you call it. I'm using this Hops foam. First time using this. I picked it up at Walmart. So let's see. And you can see this is dirty in there. Bad. And I got a toothbrush for now. And I will forget to grab my shop rags. Oh, this stuff ain't too bad. It's not too bad at all. I already see a difference. Hold that thought. Let's see here. So I think it's like a all-purpose kind of carbon, lead, and copper, low odor. It don't really got a smell to it. Now that I'm smelling it. Feels in those spots good too. Probably just have to reach one of them down there and get it all out of there, but it's not bad. Cool. Do the same thing with the Taurus. Probably shouldn't use so much, but oh well. I don't know where my little wire brush at. I can't find it. So what is this? Oral-B it is. I was getting a couple jams with the Glock because, like I said, I put a couple hundred rounds through it and I haven't cleaned it. So the last time I went to the range, it was kind of failure to feed and getting locked up. So I'm gonna clean it. Get out my video talking ish.
I didn't know you was recording until I seen the light flash.
I ain't agree to do nothing yet. Alright. This dirty.
When was the last time you cleaned it?
Oh wow. I should be ashamed.
But you not.
But I'm not. Cause I really want to see. I really want to see how far I can go
Without having to clean it.
without having to clean it. And it finally gave me a sign like, hey, clean me.